somebody is along for the ride. The other one, Miss Lady, ma'am. You're Shelby. You are not Lady. Get back. I said get back. Miss Lady's back there too. I haven't figured out on how to take them with me. And that is a very positive thing. I am very excited about this. If you can see, there's a thing going over the headrest. That is a leash. And I got a double dog leash. Excuse me, you have to get back. I know you want to say hi to everybody, but you have to get back, Shelby. Come on, lay down. So, they have food, they have water. Don't let this one fool you. I told you she's my ride or die. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Come on now, stop. Okay, mommy has to drive. Phone's crooked. It's always crooked, what the heck? Anyways, yeah. So we are heading to the fair, just me and the girls. But they have to go with me because I have to have the house available for showings for the real estate lady. So, and to be perfectly honest with you, this is kind of a drive. So I really don't want to make this trip several times a week. So here we are. All right. As far as an update goes, I have the wind canceling microphones. They're on their way. That's one. And two, I have this past weekend was decent. Better than the last two events that I worked. Definitely. Today through Thursday, the hours are 5 to 10. So they're shorter days. I have a goal. So hopefully, as long as I make that goal and nothing less than a minimum, even though that goal isn't the minimum, I would be okay with that. And I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to go tomorrow or Wednesday or both. But I want to go to Siesta Key. It's about an hour north of where I'm working. And it's absolutely stunning. But I have to do some more research before I can, before I can go there. Excuse me. You have to get back. I love you, and I love that you want to be near me all the time. Okay, but you have to get back. You act like you're thirsty, but yet you have water back there. Butthead. Come on, get in the back. Get in the back. Get in the back. Don't make me put you all the way in the backpack. I do not want to do that to you, dog. Alright? So, anyhow, guys, this is my life. Yeah. That is where we are, and hopefully I will have a good midweek, Monday through Thursday. Hopefully we'll be good, and hopefully I'll make my quota that I would like to make for those 4 days. And then next weekend, Friday is 5 to midnight, Saturday is 12 to 11, and Super Bowl Sunday is 12 to 6. So the fair closes 30 minutes before the game starts. Then I have to decide what I'm going to do, because I don't know if I'm going to just say, you know what, I'm tired. Let me just, stay here, or if I actually will drive home. So, with that being said, stay tuned, everybody. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Help me get to 500 subscribers would be great. And, yeah. Stay tuned for more.